Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the triggers that push shorts to you. Open YouTube, sign in, then go to your profile and settings. This reduces algorithmic prompts. Turn off shorts notifications and disable autoplay so videos don't queue automatically. Once done, clear your watch history for the last 30 days to erase short-form signals so the algorithm recalibrates. Make sure to pause watch history briefly while testing changes so you don't immediately retrain the model with accidental taps. Next, refine the algorithm by actively telling YouTube what you don't want. Remove shorts entries from your watch history and mark specific shorts as not interested to send explicit feedback. If a channel keeps showing shorts, use don't recommend channel so the system stops surfacing that creator. Conversely, watch and engage with long-form videos you prefer. Likes, subscribes, and watch times signal stronger preferences. Once these actions accumulate, your home feed will shift away from short-form content. Finish by reinforcing changes and handling stubborn cases. If shorts still appear, install a trusted browser extension or set blocking rules to hide the shorts shelf. This directly removes the UI. Make sure to log out and back in or reinstall the app to force settings to sync. If issues continue, clear the app cache and re-clear watch history, then avoid tapping any shorts during the retrain period. If nothing changes, wait 1-2 weeks for the algorithm to fully adapt and check again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.